Look, I am sharing the screen. Okay. This page, look at this. The questions are there. Okay. Basically, if we divide into some group, this concept is given over there. Okay. Before that, let me show you one more thing. All of you look at the screen. Look at this type of thing. This thing has not been done, na? Page number 83. Okay. These things are not be done. Just look at this. Basically, we have to count how many total, suppose lock, key, pencil, flower, ice cream, whatever. Okay. Birds, owl, okay, whatever, pineapple, but we have to count the total number. Look at this. For the first one, look at this total, how many? If we count it, look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. Total how many? 24. Yes, Tom. Now in each group, look, there are 3 groups now. 1 2 3. In each group, how many? What is the number? We have to count. Okay, in each group, look, count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So total we counted how many? 24. And in one group there is how many? 8. So find the number of groups. How many group we have to make? In this way we can just divide. Look at this. How many groups we have made? 1 2 3 now. So it will be 3. Suppose in the question it is given the total numbers given. Okay, suppose total number of chocolates is given. Okay, that is 22. Understood? Now we have to divide it into 11 group. How many group? Into 11 groups. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. In 11 group we have to divide these 22 chocolates. Then how to find out this answer? Basically we have to divide this 22 in this 11 group and equal distribution will be there. Okay, understood, Rishit? And equal distribution will be there. So if we want to distribute these 22 chocolate equally, then 22 divided by, in how many groups we are dividing? In 11 groups. Now we have to divide it by this number of groups. Understood? Then we can easily find out the chocolates, number of chocolates which one group will get. Each group will get how many chocolates we can easily find out by dividing the number of groups. Understood? Now how to divide? Already we know the division method. By using number line also we learn, and by using repeated subtraction. Yes. So understood? So suppose 22 chocolates are there. 22 चॉकलेट से फिर 11 ग्रुप में डिवाइड करना है. In how many group we have to divide? 11. Then just divide this 22 by 11. Okay. Now we can easily find out कि how many chocolates are there in each group. क्या कि एक ग्रुप में कितना चॉकलेट है. Understood? तो okay, you have done, Shaptushi. That is very good. Huh? Now, all of you, I think you can do it at home by yourself. This one. Just count and write the answer. Look here, it will be 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. In this way, okay. Here also we can find, just count in one box and count the total. Total divided by the number of in one box or one group. Understood? So this one, just do it at home. Okay. Aratrika, are you doing or not? What are you doing? Acha, now no need to do this type of thing. Okay. This one are very much easy. Just tell me whether have you understood the concept of group or not. Just tell me yes or no. You can shake your head if yes. Okay, good. Onkon Patra understood too? Good. Acha, now look at this. Now all of you look at this one. Today in class, I'll complete this page number 90 sums, okay? Not that 83 page number, understood? Look, the first question is given. Let me read the first question. Already first question has been done in your book, but no need to look at the solution, okay? Look, quality ice cream has 18 different flavors of ice cream. How many? 18 different flavors of ice cream, okay? If we put them into 3 equal groups, we have to put them into 3 equal groups, okay? Then how many flavors will be there in each group? That means the same thing, 18 difference total is 18 total number of ice cream. 18, basically this is not total number of ice cream. Basically this one, total number of variety of ice cream, okay? These types of, how many types of ice cream there are? 18 types of. Now these flavors, okay? If we want to put them, we want to put this 18 into 3 equal groups. That means divided by 3. Yes, so 3 equal group will be there. Understood? Now just solve it. 18 divided by 3. Now you can follow the method of repeated subtraction using number line, whatever, but you have to find out the answer, okay? Let me show you the solution. Acha, before that, let me also explain number 2 and 3. You will complete together 1, 2 and 3, okay? Look, number 2 is given. Acha, Betty checked out 6 library books. How many library books? 6, okay? 6 library books. And if she makes 3 equal groups, how many groups? Number of groups is 3. That means we have to divide this total number of library books by this total number of group 3. By 3 we have to divide this one. Yes. So we can easily find out the answer. Okay. Now the next one. Nikita put 24 pictures in our scrapbook. Okay. In her scrapbook, she put how many pictures? 24 pictures. Okay. In this way. Suppose these are the pictures. Now, if she put them into 4 equal groups, that means this one is the scrapbook. Okay. Here she has to put how many pictures? 24. This is the total number of pictures. Total. Yes. Now she has to put them into 4 equal groups. Okay. First group, second group, third group, fourth group. Now in each group, how many books will be there? So definitely we have to divide 24 by 4. Yes? If yes, then you can shake your head. Rishabh, understood? Okay, good. Shuhana, understood too? Achha, okay, now let me show you the solution. First, second and third one, okay? Look at the solution. Question number 1, 2 and 3. Okay? Do not look at number 4, 5, 6. No need to look at this. Okay? Just up to this. Complete this. Acha, you can zoom in or out accordingly. You can zoom in or out the screen, okay? The screen is visible to you? Yes or no? You can see the screen properly though? Okay, good. Look, write the statement properly. Huh? Quality ice cream has 18 different flavors. Okay? So if it is given, if you want to put. So here we have to, I have written if I put them into 3 equal groups. Okay? Then in each group there will be 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6 flavor. I have directly written the answer because you know the division right now. So many divisions has been done. Right now you can divide it yourself, right? So complete this and write the statement properly. Write the statement properly. The second one, look, total library books. She checked out 6 and she makes this in 3 equal groups. Suppose she is keeping these 6 library books in 3 equal groups. That means 2, 2, 2. Yes, 2. 2, 2, 2. So just do it. I have not shown the division as it is done so many times. So directly I have written the answer. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Complete this one first. Acha, write the statement properly, huh? I am giving you 4 minutes, okay? Okay. Acha, fourth one, all of you understood too? Yes or no? Shake your head, otherwise I will again explain. Look, the miller sang how many bells? 10, 10 jingle bells, na? 10 bells. And if they put them into 5 equal groups, these bells will be divided into 5 equal groups. Okay. Now in each group, how many bells will be there? Just 10 divided by 5. Okay. I think this one is clear to all of you. If yes, then you can shake your head. Okay, Ankon. Okay, good. Acha. Now the sixth one. Charlie made, fifth one is your homework. Okay. Charlie made 20 cards. How many cards are there? 20. Okay. If he makes 5 equal groups of them, how many cards will be there in each group? That means these 20 cards he wants to keep them in 5 equal groups. Or 1 group, 2 group, second, third group, fourth group and fifth group. So we have to divide this 20 by this 5. Yes or no? Yes, to. Is this clear? Avigyan? Okay, good. Now I am showing you the answers. Achha, question number 5 is your homework. Note it down. Here are the solution. From 1 to 6, only 5 is not there, huh? Because it is your homework. Question number 5 is your homework. Number 1, 2, 3, so I explained. 4 here number of bells. Number no need to write even equal, okay? Here also, he wants to put in 5 equal groups, then okay, but otherwise no need to complete this one. Acha, look at this here. You can easily write number of groups. Huh? Even if you don't write this equal, no issue. Huh? Now complete this one. Here Charlie made 20 cards. He made 5 equal groups of them. Number of cards in each group. Basically, equal group means in each group there will be equal numbers of things. Okay, whatever maybe the things. Ice cream, books, okay, cards. Complete this one, huh?
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, those who have completed, they can raise their hands and I'll check their copy.